Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make cherry sorbet. Stay with me until the end of this video and I'm gonna show you how many calories are. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place castor sugar, pour water, and boil for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna place the pitted cherries, blend, and add lemon juice. I'm gonna pour the sugar syrup, stir, and leave cooling. I'm gonna press the pre-cool button, wait for about 10 minutes, pour the sorbet, press the start button, and churn until the end of sorbet function status bar. The recipe yielded 652 grams. This is the recipe nutrition facts. And this is the nutrition facts for 100 grams of cherry sorbet. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!